people with moon in the sign of Pisces will enter their second phase of Sadesati, which is actually the peak phase. So now let's talk about what can you expect during these 2.5 years in your life. Now Saturn will be in your ascendant in your first house, which represents your physical health, your overall personality. It represents how you perceive the world and your basic attitude towards the world. Now Saturn here will bring major transformation in that. Your attitude, your confidence also. If you weren't confident enough before, now you will become more confident in these 2.5 years, because Saturn definitely will teach you how to be confident, how to put your views out there, and also because Saturn is here, it will also teach you how to keep your health in check. Now here Saturn can give you some setbacks in your health, because Saturn in ascendant obviously is not so good placement, because Saturn in ascendant often gives many health issues. Now here you will have to suffer those health issues, and those will be definitely related to your feet. Okay, so you will have to be majorly cautious about your feet, your legs. And now, when Saturn is looking at your third house, which is the house of your efforts, your courage, so definitely these 2.5 years will be full of hard work. You will have to put a lot of hard work in everything that you do. Also, because Saturn is looking at its debilitated sign, which is the sign of Aries, you can get frustrated doing so much hard work in these 2.5 years. But when you will go through that phase, you will understand the importance of hard work and the importance of being out there, being fearless and courageous, because Saturn will also teach you how to be fearless during these 2.5 years and how to always be determined in whatever you do, because third house is obviously the house of courage also. So now the second aspect will be on your seventh house. Now see, the people who have moon in Pisces are very compassionate people. Mostly these people trust anybody easily. But now when Saturn is looking at your seventh house, which is the sign of Virgo, opposite to Pisces, now definitely in these 2.5 years, you will understand that you should be critical about people also. You should understand that you don't have to trust everybody easily. Now, that won't be coming easily to you, because Saturn is not like Jupiter, who will teach you lessons in a very, calm and polite way. Saturn is the strict teacher. So, you will have to face some light lessons, and you will get betrayals from people. People will not take stand for you. The people who thought that you are really close to you, and the people who you thought will always be there for you in your bad times, will leave you in this particular time and are not scaring you. It's a fact. So, but this will make you understand that you don't have to trust people blindly, that you should be analyzing enough in people's behavior. So, after these 2.5 years, you will be thanking Saturn for giving you such hard and tough times, especially in terms of relationships. Now, some people who have well placed Saturn and who are running through the dasha of their seventh lord, etc., can also get married during this time, because Saturn is obviously looking at your seventh house, which is the house of marriage. Now, Saturn will look at your 10th house of career. So, people, this is a good placement actually. Those people who are struggling regarding their career, they were not understanding which field they should take, or in which field they should make their career, they will get their dream career, and they will be putting a lot of efforts towards their career, meaning that it will be a golden time for your career, definitely these 2.5 years. So these are the analysis of how people who have moon in sign of Pisces will be going through these 2.5 years of their second phase of Saresati. Now see, results will be different for different people. You should also see your lagna, your ascendant. If that is like your Aquarius ascendant or an ascendant which is friendly to Saturn, then these negative effects will be far more less. Also, you have to see your Mahadasha, your Antardasha also. And the most important thing that you have to see, where your Saturn is placed in your birth chart. If Saturn is well placed in your birth chart, then these 2.5 years can give you extremely good results in your life. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos.